Guys, so
Okay.
it is the same. It's same as
Who
normal
starts?
chess.
We did.
Whoever gets checkmated is out of the game. Whoever survives the most wins the game. That's the game. That's it. That's
Okay, Sagar, we are teaming up, right? We are together.
Wait. So, what's the point?
Yeah, okay.
We are so far away from each other.
it gets messy. And this game is more about your politics than your skill. Because
And some negotiating skills, yeah? So who's the
Yeah.
best player?
so if two people attack one player, then there's no way that person can win.
Arey Sagar, why did you make
As
that
you
move?
as you know, I'm a big friends with Vidit, so.
Arey, now I could take that pawn, but I'm
Oh
not
wait.
taking,
Our
okay?
bishops are hitting each other.
But if you take
Oh.
the
Oh
pawn,
my
I will
god.
take it, no.
Thanks.
Ah, you have queen. Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Ah. Wait. Okay.
Sagar is going to queen already.
And if
When do you queen?
when your
How
pawn
do you
reaches
queen?
the 8th rank, it queens.
Sagar
Oh
is
my God.
already going to queen.
Wait. I'm gonna no. I'm gonna attack him. Look, guys, look. Look.
You're gonna attack whom?
I'm going to attack his queen like that. You see?
Anish.
Guys, the rules are simple. It's normal chess, and जो भी checkmate होता है इसमें वो out हो जाता है, and whoever survives until the end wins. And I can't believe I'm making 4 legendary players play this game.
Yeah, play this idiot the game, yeah.
Look, I'm gonna capture his queen, right? Or it's not yet the queen.
No, it will become a
queen on the
queen.
next one.
Next move.
Can I take it?
Yeah, you can take it. No, if you take it, the queen captures.
Oh, queen captures. Oh my god, this is.
Sagar just went for the queen.
Anish, save your bishop. Don't go after my queen.
I think that's a
Oh.
sacrifice you'll have to make.
Oh wait, this I didn't know. Just putting the pawn on.
Okay, guys, somebody else win that queen. I'm not gonna win this.
Exactly. Anish,
Wait, my bishop is attacked by the knight.
Sagar,
yeah, save your
let's
bishop.
The
let's
knight
re-
is protecting, no? Anyway, Anish.
let's
Yeah,
remove
but
Anish.
I have.
Let's
yeah.
remove Anish.
Friendship याद रखना.
Yes. याद है.
Oh, okay. Then Vidit is also planning to queen. Oh my god.
Vidit कैसे queen?
Okay.
Guys, Vidit is red,
Bring
Sagar is
your
blue,
pawn. I will make way for
Adiban
your
is
pawn.
yellow,
Yeah.
and Anish Giri is green.
It sounds
guys.
like this, roses are red, somebody's blue, and end of the rhyme.
Oh my god, I can't believe Sagar just queened.
Queen. No, because we have no clue, yeah, about this.
Oh,
Do you want to resign?
Oh my god, this is epic.
This is so bad.
Sagar is so sneaky. Yeah, start.
He just pushed all the way.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Okay.
hopeless.
Okay, Sagar, remove your queen. Okay, out of the way.
Okay.
Ah, okay. Vidit, yeah, he wants to cheat in every game. Nice.
Wait, so who is my
How
teammate
did I
here?
cheat?
you can.
Okay, no, Anish, we need to gang up. Yeah,
We
Only
have to.
yeah we have to, yeah.
My queen actually now is very fragile. It seems like I have to bring it back. Like, come home.
You can give a check on D7. It's a check to Vidit.
What?
If you bring your queen back, it's check to Vidit, no?
There
On
is no
all
D7
the way.
here, Anish. Everything is.
Sorry.
Oh man.
Sagar's
God,
D7. Sagar, you're D7. No, white D6. You're D7.
But then you would
check.
put the bishop and then again I have to move and then.
Okay.
Anish, you have to be a little bit more trickier than this. Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. I don't
Look,
know.
I'll just suggest your plan. Since Sagar has another queen, I think first you all go for Sagar.
Ah,
Oh, this is a
ये
nice
हुई ना
one.
बात.
Okay, guys, let's gang up.
No. I'm with Sagar.
You know,
Yeah, no, Vidi, yeah, of course. He wants to be safe here also.
actually Vidit realized that after his move comes my move, so he's being very, very safe.
No. I could have.
Adiban, are you gonna win my
Adiban,
bishop?
No, okay, let me queen. Yeah, we have to play it together.
So you're not
playing
gonna
the
take
queen.
are you gonna take my bishop or not?
Yes.
No. Okay. If you want, I will not take. But I have to queen the pawn.
No, I don't like the sound of that. I don't like this. If you want, but okay, I don't believe you.
Somehow we need to.
Sagar, if I push the pawn, will you take it?
I mean, I don't have any other moves in the position.
Oh,
Okay. Oh, that means no. I got my answer.
Guys, Vidit's pawn is going to queen, so you have to be careful with that pawn.
Oh my god.
अरे मेरे
Yeah.
भाई-
Okay. Yeah. This thing I'm not understanding at all.
And I'm not surprised.
Sure.
Okay, Sagar, let's take out Adiban first.
Adibana.
Yeah, of course, that's your only chance. Yeah, I mean,
Guys,
ganging
I
up.
am telling you, Adiban and Anish, if you guys gang up on Sagar Shah, that's the only way you can win this.
Why? Why?
Because
I
you
Okay,
think
have
nobody
Sagar.
wants to join forces with me
अरे
anymore.
सागर मेरे को
हाँ.
क्यों चेक दिया?
अरे development and development. Peace.
This is betrayal. Okay, this is full on betrayal.
No. I will put my bishop on what square it is. I don't know. C6.
ये क्या है सागर? B6 बिशप B7 भी खेल सकते थे.
Okay.
कल भी मेरे साथ यही हुआ.
क्या?
धोखा.
नहीं, I won't धोखा you.
Adiban, मैं कह रहा हूँ, Adiban, I'm telling you, team up with Anish.
Yeah, but
He's trying, but I'm not I'm not allowing that somehow. He's
Anish,
trying.
no idea how to.
why are you not allowing it?
I don't have the skills to allow that collaboration.
Ah, okay, yes, I'm slowly understanding how it's done.
Oh man, if Vidit gets a queen, they're going to dominate the game.
Sagar.
You are not even thinking. You have 9 minutes 34 seconds.
I'm not surprised once again.
Okay, so let's just push for the queen, yeah? That's
Yeah,
how
yeah,
we play this
exactly.
game.
Yeah, do that. Yeah.
Okay, I understood.
Okay, Sagar, I'll push the pawn. ठीक है? You move the bishop. ठीक है? Huh?
Okay.
And then I'll push the pawn again. Then you again move the
Okay,
queen.
Anish, can you allow me to
Free
queen?
pawn for me.
How it's free?
Which one?
Yeah, which
Ah,
H
okay, then
pawn?
I will-
but-
Okay.
I will allow you to queen and retreat. No, but wait, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I don't know where you'll put the knight. That is the problem.
Okay, Sagar, I think now Anish is going to push this d pawn. So you have to cover that.
अरे
Okay.
बिस्वा कहाँ से आ गया भाई?
अरे बिस्वा बचाओ बिस्वा.
ए बिस्वा, what's up?
Wait, I just have to.
बिस्वा आज मैंने आपके साथ खेलने के लिए प्रिपेयर किया था.
I don't know what I'm doing, Anish. Just.
Oh, you
Just-
are doing
just
not the good
here
things
to-
here. You are attacking me.
Yeah. Okay, so wait, how many moves I have made with the pawn? 3 moves.
Yeah, Biswa, what are you here for?
Okay, he's going to queen, yeah?
Okay, I will stop. I'll stop.
Just here to
No,
point
no,
out
I-
that
Okay,
Sagar
Sagar,
With it.
my idea.
Sagar, if
of
I queen,
winning-
if I queen, don't take bishop f2, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Biswa hacker.
Pakka.
Hello.
Yes,
Huh?
Biswa
One
hacker.
second. Hi,
Why are you laughing
hi,
when you're
Anish.
saying
Nice to
pakka?
have you in the stream. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
Okay, Anish, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Great to have you on the stream. Vidit, hello. I'm here to give you doka
no, I'm not friends with you anymore after yesterday.
because I was supposed to be on the stream, but now Adiban is on the stream.
Yeah,
So,
I took some Biswa's place actually. So that's
Yes.
why he has been hacking with this slow lag. Yeah, he was the reason.
I think we needed someone who had a hat, and I think
Anish,
Got
please meet Biswa. Biswa is a comedian and Anish is also a comedian in his circuit.
That's good. Okay.
I
Why-
love that Sagar has 2 queens already.
Sagar is ladies' man.
good one.
Oh, bapre. But I can't believe Sagar is winning this.
Yeah,
He's
Sagar-
not winning it. He just has 2 queens.
No.
It's nothing to do with winning.
Did Adiban pushed this pawn and attacked my queen. You see? अरे
Sagar.
क्या?
Sagar, F7. Take his
Vidit,
F7. Sagar,
no.
kill Vidit.
Arey,
Sagar,
no.
let's
Arey,
kill
there
Vidit.
No
F7 is hanging.
point in making a queen.
Why? You move your queen
No, Sagar, take F7 with
somewhere
check.
else. And we'll go.
Come on, Sagar. Sagar,
let's
Sagar,
kill
be a
Vidit, let's
man.
Take my
Sagar,
queen.
मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Sagar, be a man. Take on F7.
Take on
Put-
F7, Sagar.
Take on F7.
Let's
And
deal
you
with it.
take
Then
queen.
we 3 play.
Play queen b6. Sagar, play queen b6. Play
No,
queen
don't
b6.
listen to him. He wants
In
to win
this,
this
I
match.
don't know who is my
Sagar,
friend.
first-
I know.
What have you done? First
What
take
is
on
this?
F7.
Yeah,
It's bad for everyone what you did.
no, queen b6. Why you didn't play queen b6?
अरे what queen b6? Where is b6? हाँ, queen
अरे-
b6. Hmm.
Yes, why you didn't do that? Now we both lost our queens. We are
Arey,
fighting against each other.
Nice teamwork, guys.
Sagar Shah.
Actually, I'm not sure whether I should trust Vidit or not. At the last moment, he may.
Okay.
In the
Oh.
last,
Oh, what happened there?
I don't know. You took something. He took something.
Yep.
he took my knight. I
Who
didn't
wins
even-
in this game?
The
The
person
one
who
who-
survives
Okay.
to the end. Like, actually, the person who has the most points win, but we don't play for points. We play for last man standing.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
great. Hey, Anish, will you allow me to queen?
I will Okay, make your move. I'll see what.
No, the thing is, I'm going to push my pawn and you will take it.
अरे विदित वो दोनों टीम बना रहे हैं यार क्या
हाँ,
कर-
फिर मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, तुम क्वीन B6 क्यों नहीं खेला?
अरे सॉरी यार मुझे तो अभी समझा
मेरा क्वीन मार दिया।
Yeah, both queens are gone. That was good.
और
Yeah.
अनिश को वैसे भी हिंदी समझ में नहीं आता है, हिंदी में बात करते हैं।
Please no
Hey,
weird
that
languages.
is cheating.
Anish, if you learn Hindi, first thing you must do is watch comedy of Samay and Biswa.
अरे बाप रे, please don't do that.
You will forget Hindi.
Finally, I'm motivated to learn the language.
Oh, but why did you exchange your queen, man? Sagar, I still don't understand.
Yeah, he took यार मेरा क्वीन चला गया
You
उसमें।
see, basically, I wanted an equal fighting game. You know, everyone.
Oh, yes.
Yo, Sagar,
That's the spirit.
Sagar,
Yeah.
don't lie. When 2 days ago we were playing, I followed the same strategy. I just kept pushing the pawn to queen. Sagar figured out that I was pushing the king pawn. That was a mistake. He just pushed the queen pawn. And now he doesn't know how to play.
No,
Yeah.
no. Basically, when you are pushing your pawn, you are not caring about anything. Just you are pushing.
Oh, you so cared a lot. I saw your move.
Yeah.
Okay, so who won this 4-player? You 3 or 4 guys were playing, right? Who
You,
won that?
Adiban, you wait. Nobody wins. Everybody loses in this game.
Oh my God! I was attacking
At
the
the
queen.
end of the day, Adiban, you will feel, why did I do this? Why did I play this?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I'm already feeling it. Not. I'm already.
Is there anyone who knows how to play this game? By the way, like in the world, is there any player who actually knows how to play this game?
Nobody knows this.
You are on
Hey,
your
see,
way.
see, it's a game of trust, so nobody knows how to play.
Has anyone ever finished this game also?
What a deep statement by Vidit. It's a game of trust, so no one knows how to play. Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
No,
It tells
like,
you all about Vidit.
Guys, also in this, you can capture the king. We discovered yesterday.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
If the king is already under check, you can capture it. I mean, if it's almost checkmated, then you can capture it.
Okay, Sagar, what is our strategy after this?
I don't know exactly. I'm
he-
just
hey,
making moves.
He's
Okay,
pushing
so-
his pawn. He's pushing his pawn.
I think.
Oh, Adiban,
Adiban
I have a plan. Let's mate Sagar. Okay.
Yeah. Because his
See,
king is
excellent.
the most vulnerable.
See,
I'm
Sagar,
going
told
to
you.
move my bishops and stuff up. I'm gonna
Ah,
send
nice.
everything that
Yeah,
way.
let's do that. Yeah, let's mate Sagar.
Okay.
This
Okay,
we have,
now
we have a
watch,
purpose
this-
now.
Vidit,
Okay,
now,
yeah.
Now we have
now
a
watch
purpose.
this plan
See,
are
fall
you
apart
going
in
to
2 minutes.
mate me or are you going
No,
to?
I'm with you. It's see what you do. I'll push my pawn. You remove your bishop. I'll queen and I'll support you. Okay,
Okay.
I'll
Yeah, and
take
then
that
you can
pieces.
exchange the queens again,
Okay,
like
done.
last time.
ठीक है? I'll
ठीक
push
है.
the pawn. You remove the bishops.
है,
I'll
ठीक है.
queen and I'll take their
ठीक है.
pieces.
You take care of Adiban. I will take care of Anish.
Yeah.
That sounds very scary. I'm not impressed. You already lost your queen. I don't know what you want.
Yeah.
But I
Okay,
have.
Anish, how are you mating this Sagar? Is
I'm
queen-
just spurring you on. I'm gonna be cheering from behind.
Anish, you have only
Oh, it's
5.5
my
minutes. Yes.
Oh, it's my move. I didn't realize it's my move. Sorry, guys.
It's okay.
For
It's okay,
starters,
Anish.
for
Take
starters,
your
I will
time.
queen a pawn. I'll queen a pawn for starters.
Okay,
at some point.
okay. Sagar, you have to stop him from queening, okay?
Okay. हाँ pawn push कर pawn. हाँ yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि आदिवान का नाइट है ही वहां पे, तो क्वीन नहीं कर सकता.
Adiban, if you let me to queen and then I'll trade queens with Vidit, then I'll be already very far advanced.
Yeah. I'll
Then,
allow
Okay,
that.
okay.
then I'm
Sagar.
let's trust Adiban to stop his queen.
No. Put
Let's
your
trust Adiban is a bad start of the sentence.
Yeah, it's very bad. Yes, very good move. Very good move.
Oh, good move.
Vidit is saying very good move, stopping his queen, letting my pawn go.
Okay, so pawns are the most powerful.
Okay,
Now
so
I understand.
Sagar,
Pawns are souls of chess.
Sagar, I will. You'll not take it,
Push,
right?
Push. I have begun to trust you.
Sagar immediately takes without thinking.
I need Vidit to fight you both.
Oh, you
Yes,
didn't take.
Sagar.
You didn't take.
Sagar, come on.
First, you have to gain
Dhoka.
their trust before betraying them. That's Sagar's approach.
Jai Maharashtra.
Okay, Anish.
Only
let-
legends will understand that
Yeah, I'm
statement.
letting.
Oh, he's queening this pawn as well, yaar. Sagar.
No.
Guys,
I'm queening
You
everything.
make a queen, I will take
Nice.
his pawn.
Arey, but he's queening with the e pawn, yaar.
No, I will take D pawn. You queen first right now.
Arey, but you put bishop, stop his pawn. Put
But
bishop.
I will take this pawn. What is the problem?
Arey, he also has a pawn. You will lose your queen for 2
How?
pawns.
How? Which pawn?
Arey, he has pawn na center में दोनों.
हाँ तो queen नहीं क्या हो रहा है?
हाँ.
कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है.
अरे वो मार देगा ना queen को.
Oh no.
Put bishop next to your bishop.
Oh, Vidit
Nahi,
is
let me
not
take-
getting it. This he means.
Oh, you mean this? Okay, that's good.
I didn't see that. Oh, that was so
Also-
unfortunate.
I also didn't see that.
I was count. Yeah, I realized that.
अच्छा अभी
This was
किस
the plan, yeah. Vidit, you come ahead, I go up, and then both the queens now. You have 2 queens. Now
That's
we
very
have 3
disturbing.
queens.
Sagar with the queen you allowed with it, he's going to checkmate you. I can guarantee this.
no.
At some point, that queen with number 1 written on it is going to checkmate you.
बचपन की दोस्ती कब काम आएगी?
अरे अभी कैसे मारना है इनको?
अभी मुझे I think सबसे vulnerable अधिबान का किंग है.
अरे उसका पॉन तो प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है ना. बिशप प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है
Guys,
उसके
keep
pawn को.
donating. Keep donating. We have. I'll just let you know.
Yeah, Anish, let
Donating
me
your
quit.
pawns and queens.
अरे your queen is attacked. Okay, what are you going to play next?
I will. You make the best move. You try to attack. I will save my queen.
Attack who?
Attack. Let's attack Adiban or Anish.
Yeah, that's your only.
Guys,
hope.
guys, let's actually all attack Adiban. What the hell?
You know that is not a bad idea. I don't mind that.
What the hell, actually?
अरे कहाँ पे लेके जाओ यार समझ नहीं आ रहा है. बोल दो क्या करूँ?
खेलना एक आध पीस कुछ डेवलप कर दे.
कहाँ डेवलप करूँ? कुछ डेवलप ही नहीं हो रहा है.
कैसल कर ले.
कैसल से किंग वीक हो जाएगा मेरा.
अच्छा.
You will take the e7 pawn ना वहाँ पे.
अरे
रुक को
यार,
निकाल.
ठीक है.
रुक को निकालता हूँ.
ओहो.
पता नहीं उससे क्या हुआ पर ठीक है.
Oh no.
Anish, it's just a move. Yeah, I'm not attacking you. Okay, don't worry.
Yeah, this is what he says. Yeah,
You are everything so nicely guarded, man. You are amazing.
Anish, yeah, even here it's protecting everything.
No, I have a good position, like chess wise. You feel the culture of green player.
And you can see Adibat's position.
Adiban is playing different game.
Okay, guys. Big
Okay,
moment.
Why you
I'm
went
ready.
back with that?
I just
Okay, Adiban, this was a stab in the back, Adiban.
Anish, this is a sign of.
Yeah. No, we go kill Adiban now. It's clear.
Yeah.
wait. You attacked my rook first, Anish. You
No, I didn't take it. I attacked it and you took it. It's different.
Yeah, I have to move the rook.
This
I
was
didn't know
enough.
that.
Like this was big insult. You have to
Yeah.
retaliate.
This was a sign, you know, for
Sign,
what is going to come.
Yeah, okay. That's probably your only hope. All 3 of you, yeah, ganging upon me. That's probably the only way.
This
Adiban
only
is
way.
Adiban is like, this is what I wanted today. To all of them gang up on me.
Yes, this is what I
Okay,
wanted.
why did you play a5?
I don't know. I didn't know what to do.
दोस्तों इसके बाद हम सारे सुपर चैट पढ़ेंगे मैं और अफ्तार भाई मिलके. तो keep donating. Keep giving super chat.
Okay, सागर, इसमें डबल चेक मेट होता है ना?
हाँ क्या?
हाँ मतलब दोनों साइड से चेक आएगा तो किंग तो मर ही जाएगा उसका.
अच्छा. कैसे
तो-
करने का फिर जरा प्लान करके बता दे.
हाँ अभी मेरे क्वीन पे अटैक किया उसने.
अरे Adiban अकेला ही सबको everyone he's attacking everyone.
Oh,
Okay.
this is epic.
See, Anish, I'm going to help you. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, right.
Finally.
See, now he's attacking your pawn. I defended it. Okay. Your queen pawn. He was attacking.
Oh, you
it.
defended it. Oh, thank
Yes.
you. Now you're gonna take it. This is not helping me. This is helping yourself. This is using me to help yourself.
अरे विदित क्या करूं?
जल्दी खेल दो बस. आपके पास टाइम नहीं है. टाइम जल्दी खेलो. आदिबान की तरफ लेके जाओ सब पीसेस. बिशप d6 कर दो.
Okay.
अभी क्या करेगा?
Adiban, you have like
Move करेगा,
the
उसके
biggest variety. Whatever you want to do, you can checkmate Anish, you can checkmate me, you can checkmate Vidit. Whom are you choosing?
Yeah, wait, Anish, how can I checkmate him? Look at his king. It's so far away.
You have a rook, no, on 7th rank.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
So I am with you, Sagar.
Okay.
So what are we doing next?
I just don't know. I've become too passive actually last few moves.
I'm just
Thank you.
calculating how much we have raised.
Thank you, Anish. That was very helpful. Now I know what we do next.
Hey, I don't see any moves. Adiban played or not?
Yeah, your move.
Yeah.
No, I don't see it. I lagged out.
No.
Oh, Vidit, sorry. Yeah, sorry.
What? What?
Louder.
What is my move?
Vidit disconnected. Yes.
Refresh.
He's out of the game, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, he lost. Disconnect, he lost.
He lost. Yeah, okay. That's okay. It's up to us three.
Okay.
Now,
इंटरनेट में धोखा दे दिया
मैं
यार।
कह रहा हूँ इंटरनेट का कुछ लोचा ही है आज भाई विदित इंटरनेट एफ
no, guys. I feel like I've already won. So let's.
Reconnect.
Okay. No, I'm there.
you're back
Never count me out.
Ooh, thank you.
PD.
क्या
Yeah, I
करूं?
thought I will offer a draw now since Vidit lagged out.
What was that? Oh, wait, that's how you were helping me, right? Protecting this phone.
See,
Thank you.
now you can take Adiban's pawn on d4.
Guys, just want to announce if Vidit gets checkmated first, I'll donate 10,000 rupees. Just want to announce.
Okay, guys, come on. Let's all gang up. It's the time.
1-0 ज्यादा है,
Oh,
1-0
man.
It's the right time.
No, 10,000 is my Vidit price.
Bounty. You got a bounty on his head.
Visa wasn't yesterday enough. Wasn't
Guys,
yesterday
this was all
enough.
the motivation we needed to attack Vidit, no?
भाई सागर तूने ये क्या बना के रखा है ये ट्राइंग ये एरो मार्क्स हाँ
किधर?
Arey, whose move it is now?
Adiban.
Okay. I thought I lagged out again.
Yeah, okay. This is not going.
विश्वा 10,000 में थोड़ा मजा मतलब कम है.
Yo, you don't want 10,000 rupees to be given. That's the offer. Okay. Now you checkmate with it, or don't checkmate with it. I don't care.
Hello. Arey, did Anish play a move?
Yes.
Oh no, I lagged out again.
yes F in chat for Vidit keep going F in chat for Vidit
No, this internet
Can
is
we do
killing
a
me.
separate donation for Vidit's internet connection?
You know, I
Vidit
mean,
is back.
yeah, okay.
Oh man, Vidit,
Oh, wow.
amazing.
Great.
amazing.
thank
Good
you for
stuff,
all the
good
super
stuff.
chats we're gonna do
Okay,
read all the super
Sagar,
chats after this
Adiban. खत्म हो गया है. Almost खत्म है वो.
Adiban is completely toasted here, by the way,
Yes,
guys.
exactly.
Everyone is on to him.
Yeah, it's so bad. Oh my god.
Adiban, come on. Everyone is coming at you.
I
Yeah,
have to
okay.
no
This
don-
is how I always wanted it.
I have to meet Adiban before my internet goes.
No donation if Adiban gets checkmated.
Yes. Vishwa, yeah, thank you. Thank you for that. Okay. How to
I just
do
want to know how you guys are feeling playing this match
Wait,
I mean,
where are you going?
Sagar, Vidit is-
I just play a move before I lose internet, man.
Vidit, where are you going?
Yeah, I have no idea.
What are you thinking you're doing? Wait, why did you go there? You were attacking Adiban.
No,
You're
but
following the money, yeah? You want to make yourself.
no, Rukjivan was there. If I take the pawn.
भाई बिस्वा
Okay,
भाई ये
Vidit.
लोग आपस में क्या बातें कर रहे हैं भाई हमको तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा भाई रुक जीवन कैसे बोल रहे
अरे
हैं
सागर मुझे
अभी तो
क्या
मैं-
अटैक किया?
Move यार रुक यार, move ही नहीं था कोई.
ठीक है कहाँ मूव करूं मेरे रुक को? ठीक है कर देता हूँ.
अरे E5 वगैरह पे लेके आ इधर दो.
उसने मूव अनिश ने मूव खेला तो ये बता दो मुझे. मेरा नेट जा रहा
ये एरो कौन बना के रखा है?
है. सागर
कौन सा
एरो हटाना.
Sagar.
कैसे एरो कैसा निकालने का? मैंने क्या किया? मैंने
Guys,
Right.
just click
राइट एरो राइट एरो.
click on your screen it will go away
हाँ,
left
ठीक
click
है.
left click कर दे कहीं पे भी best
Okay, great.
ओके
What is that? Why
Hey,
did you play
AD.
Oh, he's
what a beautiful attack.
Very
did
nice.
So proud
Very
of you.
sneaky stuck. Very
What?
sneaky stuck here.
what did he play? I lagged out. What did he play?
Arey, he has
attacked G7 of Sagar.
on G7. Oh my god.
अरे
Okay.
This is
So
just
yeah,
whose
this is
move
the
it
plan,
is?
guys.
Whose move it is?
your
It's
move.
your move.
Vidit, of course, yeah, you disconnected. It's your move.
I don't even know what's happening. What did Adiban play? I did not see.
He's attacking G7 of Sagar.
Crazy, yeah. Crazy.
Oh, F3. He played F3, E3. Oh, that was so sneaky. That was so sneaky. Adiban,
Adiban,
very sneaky.
you could have distracted me and checkmated me.
Yeah, but okay, that is not what a true hero would do. So
True warrior, yeah, true warrior.
बाप
अबे
रे
यार.
बाप, लेकिन फिर भी क्या खेल रहे हैं भाई विश्वा भाई नहीं?
oh, Anish,
man,
why
look at
are
that
you
pawn.
attacking me? It's hopeless.
इन लोग आपस की दुनिया में खो गए एक दूसरे के साथ.
अरे समय एक
Yeah.
बात बोलू क्या?
बोला भाई.
समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. कुछ
मेरे
भी नहीं समझ में
हमें खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा. हम लोग बस देख रहे हैं कि कुछ तो हो रहा है भाई, सही हो रहा है.
मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है लास्ट के 2 मिनट में सब लोग मेट हो जाएंगे.
Guys, if you guys run out of time, then the person who has captured the most pieces wins, guys.
अरे did
Anish is winning.
Anish has
Anish is
captured
winning.
3 pieces.
did Anish play something?
No,
Okay, thank you.
I'm just chilling.
Guys, we are getting a lot of donations from Google Pay. Thank you so much, whoever is
Oh
donating to
yes,
Google
thanks.
Pay.
Thanks.
you so
Adiban,
much.
what
Please
are you
donate to
doing?
Google
Why
Pay.
are
Okay.
you after my king?
अरे what did
Okay,
Anish
yeah,
play?
you started this.
अरे what did Anish play?
Look,
Takes
I'm
pawn.
I'm coming for Adiban. Suddenly.
You go, okay, go for Adiban. Go for Adiban.
Yeah.
Adiban is coming for. I'm going for Adiban. Adiban is going after Sagar. Sagar is going after Vidit, and I'm winning in the end.
No, I'm going after no one. I'm just there.
Guys, please, if you're overseas, then try to donate
Okay.
through PayPal.
you-
The link is in description. Please go
Do
through.
Sagar.
Man,
Check.
Adiban, what an amazing mating attack. If I get checkmated, I will be a fan forever.
But wait,
Sagar,
I
you're
think
getting
before
kind of
that-
mated.
Yeah, before that, I'm getting mated.
Yo,
Oh, your mate. Your mate, my
No, no.
bishop is actually mating you.
Yeah. Okay, I have Bishop D3.
अरे but I
No,
cannot
there is
play move.
Vidit can save him. He can take my rook.
With the mate कर Adiban को इसको.
I lost internet.
Vidit has disconnected.
अरे
Once
यार
again, yeah.
ये क्या है?
Guys, we have
Why?
raised 3,80,000 rupees until now.
Whoa.
3,80,000, guys.
Oh,
We
yeah.
have to take that
Amazing.
number higher. We will.
Oh, Vidit backstabbed Adiban. In the other news.
I think internet
it's
is
not,
backstabbing
no.
everyone today.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
now
Okay.
my only aim in life is to survive for one more move.
Okay, you survived already, so it's not a big deal.
No, really?
Yeah, I just gave everything to checkmate. Oh my god. Oh, it's checkmate. Yeah, almost.
It's almost, you're almost mated. You still have defense.
Everyone is mated.
Wait, is he mated? Is Adiban mated?
Yeah, I have to give the rook now. My beautiful rook.
Your pawn cannot capture my queen, right? After I
No,
take.
no, it cannot. It cannot go
I tried
backwards.
to capture,
Okay.
but it cannot.
Pawns cannot go backward.
Ah, thank you.
But did
My beautiful rook.
he make a move? Okay, it's a mate. It's
Okay, okay, it's gone.
Oh, man,
checkmate.
Adiban is out of the game, guys.
Anish,
Oh,
Okay, but no
Unbelievable.
donations. No donation.
no donation.
जीतना है तो दोनों मिलके अनीश को
अनीश को
हराना पड़ेगा.
हाँ अनीश को खेलते हैं. चलो आपका मूव है वैसे. क्या करना है?
कहाँ उसका किंग बहुत
Hey,
लंबा है
guys, you
यार.
can't do this
Suddenly-
warfare of language. You can't speak in Hindi.
Suddenly, Sagar is completely protected now, yeah? With Adiban gone. I should have let Adiban live for a bit. Made Sagar,
Yeah,
then
exactly.
made him.
I would have killed him.
Yeah.
No, but you are so far away from me. I can't even
Sagar,
reach.
Did you make a move, Sagar?
No, I did not. 1 second.
Make a move.
Yeah, I made.
Okay.
This queen even was my last attempt. Yeah.
What is this, Anish?
Oh, what I'm just making legal moves.
He's coming for Sagar. Yeah, next. Nice.
I can do nothing.
He's well protected. Yeah, you needed me. This is what I told you.
I
You should
yeah, I
kind
have
of-
nothing. I don't have
Guys,
enough.
guys, whose move it is?
Yours.
This is your move.
let's Vidit lose on time, okay?
Offer on the table.
And then we sort it out with you.
Whose move
तेरा
it is?
king piece है उधर. Mate करना उसको.
अरे पर किसका move है?
तेरा.
No, guys, just flag him, please. Flag him.
Let's flag Vidit and then
Yeah.
we sort it out, Sagar.
Yeah.
Man-
Exactly.
man against man.
Sagar, you have to keep your word, okay?
Yeah. I will
25,000
keep my word,
people are watching.
But I don't know what to play.
If Sagar checkmates with it, then 15,000. If other people checkmate with it, then 5,000. If Sagar checkmates.
Oh, man.
विश्वा 50,000 किया तो करूंगा.
अबे, he took your something.
He took a bishop.
I have 42
Hey.
points.
Oh,
Oh, no,
oh
no,
my
no,
God,
no, no,
what
don't do
is
this. Don't do
fine?
this. Don't do this.
Anish,
Don't do this.
42 points. Oh my god. Just rocking.
Okay, Anish is winning. Yeah, we cannot allow this.
But I'm just
Anish
getting
has
mated here. What do you mean
42
winning?
points. Anish, this is like your biggest victory margin ever. 45.
45. Yeah, okay. I think Anish is like the winner today, actually, no matter what happens.
No.
Arre.
If we checkmate, oh man, with it amazing attack.
You also come now. What amazing! You also come. You're only cheering. Come.
Okay, I'm coming. Don't take
Okay,
me-
oh my God.
Oh no, guys, this is not cool. This is not
I
cool.
told you.
This is
I
just
was
not
not-
cool, guys.
Yeah, Anish, I was your only hope. Now it's gone.
Oh,
Okay.
Anish.
So what should I move? I'll move my bishop. You mate him. Okay.
But
Oh, so
I
Samay,
can't
yeah?
mate with your bishop.
What?
I
You
can't
mate him.
mate with the protection of your bishop.
I play Queen G7. No.
Okay, come on, guys. This is uncool. It's uncool.
He has attacked you. He has attacked you.
Sagar.
Anish गिरी भी गया. Oh no. ये
Okay,
क्या
now let's
किया
see
भाई?
who wins.
ये कैसे
Now
किया
I'm
भाई?
excited to see.
गलत किया भाई बेचारे के साथ.
अरे मेरा नेट चला गया.
अरे मैं जीत गया.
अरे मेरा नेट चला गया रे.
क्या बात कर रहा है? Is your
Not
net
cool.
gone?
Cool.
Very.
Oh man. You know,
Arey.
Anish, with this internet is gone after he did that to you.
Obviously.
Wiz is back. Okay.
With it वो arrow में खड़ा दे.
अरे विदित मेरा क्वीन ले लिया तू.
Yeah, but now there's nobody left anymore. He's just beating you.
You can take his queen, Sagar.
अरे
You can take
बिस्वा
his queen.
क्या
Take his
दुश्मनी
queen,
है? क्या दुश्मनी है बिस्वा?
You can take his queen.
Thank
Okay,
you.
good.
Thank
Good.
you.
Last 1 minute. They're down to the last minute.
Hey, with this disconnect.
Again?
No.
Ah,
There
they're-
is there.
अबे विदित
Yeah.
मेरे पास तो क्वीन एक्स्ट्रा.
But they are not even against each other. They are like next to each other. It's gonna be hard to.
Oh my God. Sagar is getting betrayed by Vidit.
अरे बिटरेड क्या
Okay,
लास्ट
finally,
प्लेयर
yeah.
बचा है. लास्ट
Nothing
प्लेयर बचा है. लास्ट प्लेयर बचा है.
Yo,
मैं
you
कुछ
can
मान
say
भी
what
नहीं
you
सकता.
want.
Justice for
You can
Anish.
say what you want.
Just it for Anish. Yeah.
Oy,
Oh my God. This Vidit. Oh. He
I still
used
have the most
Sagar.
points for the record. Oh no, not anymore.
I scored only like 6. Oh my God.
Vidit used Sagar and now Vidit is eating Sagar alive.
Sagar, you have less time. Sagar, जल्दी.
हाँ विदित का इंटरनेट एक आखिरी होप है.
Oh.
Oh man, विदित
Oh my
इतना
God.
अच्छा क्यों खेल रहा
Oh,
है?
Vidit is attacking.
Relentless.
Nice.
Vidit is
Relentless.
suddenly
It's the first
playing
game
like
ever
normal
Vidit is
player.
attacking.
First game.
अरे I don't see mate.
Yeah.
नीचे वाले रूप से मेट था.
अरे
विदित
बिस्वा,
इंटरनेट
भाई,
देख
क्या
तेरा इंटरनेट देख तेरा बंद हो रहा है.
Hey, Vidit will repeat now.
अरे I don't even see my pieces anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, but you can now take on b6.
B6?
Ah, yes. Take on B6.
Some sort of b6.
He cannot see. Wait, this is getting really
Vidit has
thrilling.
disconnected.
Oh,
Vidit-
excellent.
Vidit-
Vidit
Vidit
disconnected. Vidit disconnected.
Disconnected, Vidit disconnected.
9, 7, 6, 5.
Oh, Vidit has reconnected.
Reconnected.
Reconnected, bhai.
Take the queen.
Take his
the
queen. Yes.
Take the bishop.
Oh, 2 seconds.
Take the rook, take the rook.
Take the rook. Sagar, take the rook.
Oh,
Okay, now just make any moves.
oh.
Yeah, just take. Okay, move the king.
Sagar Shah is going to win.
Take the pawn. Yeah.
Sagar Shah
Oh
is
yeah,
going to
Sagar. 76.
Wow, brilliant.
Hey, Anish, you are
Oh
number
my
2.
God.
Oh.
Yeah, no, I played very well. If not
Yeah,
for
you are
the
not
sabotage, I would have
Okay.
won it.
Anish, you are the winner by heart, like I will say. But in the end
But
point,
in 4 pledges, there's no heart, no game. There's only politics. And look at
My-
Gujarati's head.
My internet betrayed me so much today. I mean, it even crossed Biswa's lines. You know.